Many adults with ADHD notice that work tasks feel manageable when urgent or interesting, but overwhelming when routine and ambiguous. This is not a failure of motivation. It reflects how executive function interacts with environmental demands. Here's the mechanism. When tasks lack clear structure or immediate feedback, the ADHD brain receives fewer signals that help initiate action. This can lead to procrastination or difficulty prioritizing, even when the importance of the task is understood intellectually. Scaffolding at work involves creating systems that reduce decision fatigue and clarify next steps. From a clinical perspective, this might include time blocking schedules, external accountability through check ins, or batching similar tasks together to reduce cognitive switching costs. One effective strategy is the visible workflow. Instead of keeping tasks mentally organized, use a physical or digital board where tasks move from next to in progress to complete. This externalizes executive function and increases momentum. Work success with ADHD often comes from designing environments that support regulation rather than expecting constant internal control.